Hi, you are?
Tim Ware.
Hey Tim, what you going to show us today?
I'm going to show you the new Alhambra Box Office Magic Ticketmeister printing program.
Ooh.
This is now installed at the Alhambra, and this year this is what we would use to print out season tickets. Start off by logging into Chrome as you normally would into the Box Office Magic. Might be a good thing first to clear the cookies so that we don't have any settings in there from prior adjustments. Click the log on, and then after it logs you on, over to the left hand side you'll notice a new tab that says Season Ticket Management. Click on this. The next screen that opens up is the Season Ticket Management screen, and it defaults to 2018, which is our current season. There's an update button next to it. Click on the update button and it will display a list of season ticket holders who do not have tickets printed out yet. There's the list. So what we can do is, the first one is the Dempsey's file. Go to the far right hand side, we'll click on the Print Ticks tab. That'll bring up the next screen, and it shows you the shows, the show date and time that they have selected, and it'll show their name. The display name can be changed to reflect if it's someone they want to give it to, and then that name will actually print out on the ticket. Once we have this, we will go to the bottom right hand side, which says Sheet Print. Click on this. It will bring up the screen that shows the ticket template with the variable data information that will print. Now we want to come over and check on the print dialog screen to make sure that the Konica Minolta BizHub C35 is selected, and it is. Okay. After that, what we're going to do for this particular test is print just one page, although there are 7 pages in this one. We want to make sure that it's set to portrait. We want to make sure that it's set to color. There's one more setting in the system, and that is thick 3, but the machine should automatically be set for thick 3 for printing out season tickets. Now, before we actually print to the printer, we want to check the printer, and that's the C35. We'll open the drawer. We should print from drawer 2, not from the side drawer. You'll notice that when it's empty, the spring-loaded foot is up. We want to push it down so that it stays in the down position. What I'll do is load head in to the feed roller. And just for this test purpose, I'll just go ahead and load 2 sheets in. You'll notice once we load the sheets and put them in, we want to make sure that the side guides are set firmly against the edges and that the foot guide is also against the foot of the sheet. Once we do that, we're ready to push the tray in. And at that point, the machine recognizes that there's paper in the tray, and then we're ready to print. So we can go back to the computer, and we can print, select print. And what we have are printed tickets. You'll notice that the print and the color, it's all set up to print in the open area with the variable data. And we have these 2 tickets ready to go. Now we'll go back to the screen. We'll close this box. And a pop-up will come in the middle and ask us, did the tickets print correctly? If it's no, we'll go back and print the tickets again. If it's yes, we'll select yes. Okay. When we close this screen down, we'll notice now that the ticket printed check mark is in place now, demonstrating that we've printed these tickets. What we can do next is go and select in this little gray area this box, and we can do it for more than one. We can select 3, and what we want to do now is go print labels. You'll notice the screen here says print selected labels, so we can print selected labels. Now what we have to do here is we have to change the printer. So I'll select change. The Dymo Label Writer Turbo 450 is on the screen, so we need to select it. Now what we need to do here, one copy, instead of being portrait, it's landscape. So once we hit landscape, we need to go to more settings. It's a 30252 address label. Instead of the default margins, we need the margins to be none. Okay? And you can see in the screen that those are the ones that will pop up, showing that the mailing information and showing the record number of the file. And then we can print. And then our Dymo printer will print out address labels. Now the fonts at the Alhambra are slightly different, so it will image a little bit differently, but this is how it will image. So now we're ready to put this with the tickets in the envelope, and we can put this on the outside of the envelope ready for mailing. And in the next video we will show you how to seal the envelopes, how to weigh them, and add the postage to it.
All right, thank you, Tim.